In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain name with Squarespace domains. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search for a domain, review the options, and complete checkout so your website has a professional address. Make sure you're logged into your Squarespace site and you have a payment method ready. Start on your site dashboard. Look to the lower left corner and open the Settings panel. This is where Squarespace keeps all account and site controls, including your domain tools. Inside Settings, choose Domains and Email. This section is dedicated to managing domains, connecting existing ones, and purchasing new ones within the Squarespace ecosystem. Next, select Domains. You'll see options to connect a domain you already own or to get a new one. Choose Get a Domain. This opens Squarespace's search tool, which checks availability across different extensions and offers suggestions. Type the name you're considering into the search bar. Keep it short, easy to spell, and aligned with your brand. If the exact name isn't available, try small variations. Consider a different extension like .com, .net, or a relevant niche extension, and avoid hyphens or numbers if you can. When you see an available option that fits, select it to view its details and pricing. Proceed to checkout. Here, you'll confirm your selection and review the cost. Pricing varies by extension and term. It's a good idea to check whether privacy protection is included. This helps keep your contact details off public records and is often bundled with Squarespace domains. Choose your term length. A longer term can reduce the chance of accidentally letting the domain expire, while a one-year term keeps things flexible. Pick the duration that matches your plans, then save and continue. You'll be prompted to enter your registrant information. Provide accurate details such as your legal name, organization if applicable, and a valid address and email. These are required by domain registries for ownership records, and they must be correct to avoid issues with verification or transfers. If privacy protection is included, your personal details won't appear publicly. Save and continue to finalize. Squarespace will process the purchase and start configuring the domain with your site. In most cases, setup is automatic. Propagation can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. You'll receive a confirmation inside your account and via email, and you can return to the domains area anytime to manage renewals and settings. That's it. You've searched, selected, and purchased your domain through Squarespace domains, keeping everything in one place for a smoother website launch and easier ongoing management.